Hi, hello everyone. My name is Lingesh. I am working currently in AIMS Mangalagiri Pharmacist. Do you think pharmacy is only about working in a medical shop? Wrong. Actually, pharmacy is one of the widest careers in healthcare, right? So let's explore today. Okay? So first, we can discuss the industry. I am briefly discussing about this channel, like what is the scope of pharmacy. First, we need to discuss, right? So in this first, industry and clinical community pharmacist, academics, research, government sector and entrepreneurship, pharmacovigilance and global opportunities, we have a wide range, right? So first we need to discuss industry, right? So we all know that industry. After B Pharm, we are just going on industry wise, like in the sectors of like drug manufacturing. We all know that in the industries what's going on drug manufacturing, right? So we are all working in the different sectors based on the like degree holders, like formulation and production, quality assurance and quality control, as we all know that QA and QC and packaging, right? So next, clinical community pharmacist, and one more thing. So if you are working in an industry, the simple thing. So every pill you see a pharmacist brain behind it, right? So every pill has making or production done by like in manufacturing in an industry. So every pill need to be like has a pharmacist brain behind it, right? So that's what I was just a hook idea. You can call it a one. And clinical or community pharmacist, as we all know that in a clinical sector or in hospitals or in retail, outside medical shops, there the main role is pharmacist. They are doing after pursuing B Pharm or diploma or M Pharm, whatever graduations. So next in this, the major roles what the pharmacist can do, like that dispensing and means handling of prescriptions and ward rounds. If it is in a hospital working, you need to rounds in a ward, and therapeutic management, therapy management and patient counseling and OTC sales. This is the main major role of the hospital or retail pharmacist, right? And academics. So these as academics. First thing in pharmacy, how we enter into pharmacy, the briefly we can discuss. First 10th class. After 10th class, matlab SSC whatever. So after 10th class, we can pursue diploma in pharmacy, right? This is a 3 years graduation, 3 years course. Otherwise, you can opt intermediate through BPC course, and after that, there is a wide range. I will explain in detail. First, you can write MSET exam or ESET exam in AP. I am discussing about AP on the page. As of I am working here, that's why I discussed MSET, ESET. So through these exams, you can opt B Pharm as it was in 4 years. Other than that, you can opt Form D directly after intermediate, 6 years duration course. And after this B Pharm, like you can pursue M Pharm or Form D or integrated PhD or go to abroad. I will explain in detail one by one. First, diploma in pharmacy after 10th class, right? In diploma in pharmacy, after this, you can direct as a pharmacist, it was recognized, and you can apply for government sector exams also, like AIMS or whatever. I will discuss that. So you can exam, like you can write with this degree, like diploma in pharmacy is enough for a pharmacist. No, I need to more, like I need to enthusiastic or I need to go to higher education, higher studies. So you can opt after the diploma, post baccalaureate for B Pharm. So post baccalaureate for B Pharm, actually B Pharm course is 4 years, but after diploma post baccalaureate it was coming 3 years, because after diploma it was B Pharm second year they can join. So that's the post baccalaureate. And after B Pharm, you can opt 4 route or pathways. You can see here after B Pharm through GPAT and NIPER. So graduate pharmacy aptitude test and NIPER is also like one test. For a NIPER like I'm telling NIPER only seven NIPER institutes in our India. So through that, for getting that pharmacy or M Pharm or PhD course in that NIPERs, so you need to write after GPAT NIPER exam. So after cracking that NIPER, you can opt that M Pharm in NIPER colleges, whatever. Okay, we can discuss briefly in that later video. So after through GPAT NIPER, you can opt M Pharm as the duration of course is 2 years, and Form D. And here after B Pharm, post baccalaureate, right? I already discussed after intermediate you can directly opt Form D as a 6 years duration course. But here after B Pharm also you can opt Form D. So this is the post baccalaureate, same as like diploma in pharmacy post baccalaureate. So this is the post baccalaureate. It will Form D. The duration is 3 years. And after this you can also opt through NIPER integrated PhD. Integrated PhD without B Pharm. So you can directly opt PhD, right? Through NIPER or some central institutes, IIT or like that, okay? And after B Pharm, you can also go to abroad for M Pharm or for higher studies, whatever, through these exams, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE. So you can after cracking that, you can go to abroad for M Pharm. And this after M Pharm, PhD based on project works and like that, you can opt for 3 to 6 years after M Pharm. You can also opt for Form D after PhD 3 to 6 years. This scope in pharmacy what means has become a lecturer after M Pharm and professor after PhD. This is a brief discussion about academics and research. The interesting topic, research. So academics means if you are interested in if you are interested in teaching professions, so you can obviously choose this lecturer profession course. After academics, research. So in research, drug discovery, clinical trials, pharm R&D, research and development, you can see this. Simple thing, clinical trials and pharm R&D, whoever who loves innovation so much, so this is the your job. So you can opt this drug discovery, clinical trials, pharm, like research and development through research. And the main and the most important government sector jobs. After as we are discussing what's the scope of pharmacy in the main real thing, these are the whole central government and state government included bodies. So briefly discussing what is so and so. First thing, AIMS. As we all know that All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So we have that All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIMS pharmacist. So you can opt after B Pharm or M Pharm, you can write exam and you can crack and you can opt this government pharmacist. And we can discuss this later. I am just discussing briefly. And this DSSB, Delhi Subordinate Sub-Selection Commission. Next, ESSC, as you all know that Employees State Insurance Corporation, RRB Railway Recruitment Board, and CGHS Central Government Health Scheme, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, National Health Mission, so and so. SCCL means we all know that Southeastern, Coalfields Limited, and National Thermal Power Organization. NCL means National National Chemical Laboratories. So SEPI, you all know that Army. So Army for pharmacist and drug inspector. State government pharmacist, as a state government office pharmacist. I think so in AP. We are not currently having till now permanent post, only through contractual basis they are taking, and they are doing permanent that. So whatever, legal in state government pharmacist and FDA, CDSO, WHO, World Health Organization, State Drug Central Control Organization, FDA. These are the drugs, these are involving in drug laws and policy making. So these are the government sector. After pharmacy, this is the best scope for government sector. If you want government employee, so you can opt this. And entrepreneurship. No, I don't want any jobs. I don't want any I need just I need to build my own empire. So you can just opt. The best thing is entrepreneurship. So here you can running your own pharmacy shop. And now the point has already discussed. Pharmacy is not only about working in a medical shop, you are also opt a entrepreneur by putting your own pharmacy shop, right? And this means pharmacists are not just employees, first thing, right? You will also become CEOs through entrepreneur. After this, running your own pharmacy. Next, pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance means you all know that drug safety regarding. So drug safety regarding medical writing, coding and regulatory submissions. And we have wide and global opportunities also. We have the wide range through USA, Canada, Europe, Middle East. These countries are wide range offering as a pharmacist role. So you can opt these global opportunities also, right? And the one thing I need to say, every pharmacist, first thing, okay? So every pharmacy student should know you are not limited, right? The scope is your massive. The pharmacy students are without career, without guidance, proper knowledge. They are stuck in with their boundaries, I think so. So please get out of this, and you can explore more, you can achieve more. So this is the, like, just encourage or whatever you can, just I'm trying to motivate our whole pharmacy students in this India or whatever. So please subscribe my channel, and one thing I need to know, which path excites you the most in this video. So please comment me below. Thank you so much. Please support my channel. This is my first video. If you do subscribes and likes and shares, so it will be encouraged to scope of pharmacy and whatever the career guidance in pharmacy field, and I can be the one who motivates or who encourages to you all, the whole pharmacist. And I need all support from your pharmacy students or whatever pharmacy related. So please encourage me. Thank you so much. Bye.